morning to all. Jai Jhulelal. It gives me immense pleasure to declare our virtual annual fancy dress competition. The main aim of competition is to bring out the hidden talent of our little pre-primary kids. I thank all parents for getting the kids ready for the fancy dress competition. I would also like to thank Principal Mary Madam and all his teachers for their wonderful performance. उन्हनि जी जेका महिनत आहे उहा हिन प्रोग्राम खे अञा शानदार बणाईंदी. Even we are thankful for the parents who are participating also. Thank you. Jai Jhulelal and the best of luck to all the students. Thank you.
Good morning to all. Today I have pleasure to announce that our Jhulelal Trust School and Junior College is organizing fancy dress competition virtually. Here our little small champ are showing their talent, hidden talent in front of all. I am thankful to Principal Mary Thomas who has put their hard work along with the teachers to bring the hidden talent of the students in front of all. Thank you and best of luck to all the students.
Good morning everyone, Honorable Trustee, parents and my dear children. It gives me immense pleasure to declare our annual fancy dress competition open. This is the first time in our history that we are organizing virtual competition for our very talented children. I cannot express my excitement and eagerness to see all our cute kids in various colorful avatar. I also want to personally express my sincere thanks to you all parents for the hard work behind the scene in getting our tiny tots ready for the competition. Equally deserving are our talented teachers who organized and scheduled the whole event. So ladies and gentlemen, let's all sit back and enjoy the show. As we all know, these are very difficult times for every individual, society and country. However, this is the time when man is tested for his perseverance and ability. We, the management of Jhulelal Trust, are extremely proud of our team who have risen up to the challenge and imparted excellent education classes covering all part of the syllabus. And yes, I have special mention of the amazing activities of our dear teachers have organized, like cook without fire, fork painting, greeting card, chocolate making, laddu making, bread cake making, kaju katri, visual dandiya celebration, red day, then cotton and bud activities, best out of waste, virtual Diwali celebration, independence and many more. These activities brought out the best in our children. We will continue to relentlessly strive and achieve perfection in providing world-class education. This is our promise to all our parents. Thank you for your immense trust in our ability. We value it very much. And last not by the least, we have opened up the admission process for the next academic year 21-22. The forms will be available from 2nd January. All those who are seeking admission are requested to collect the form and apply. Thank you. All the best to all the students who are participating in the fancy dress competition. May the best child win. Bye.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Aniyati Rajast, Nursery Division A. I am 8. Pollution is making a no earth, no bird. Thank you.
काला काला आसमां है, बादल भी मैला है, घुटता है दम यहाँ जो धुआं धुआं फैला है।
काला काला आसमां है, बादल भी मैला है, घुटता है दम यहाँ जो धुआं धुआं फैला है। फैक्ट्री हो, केमिकल हो, चूल्हा हो या कार हो,
पोल्यूशन की मार से बच्चे क्यों बीमार हो।
थोड़ी हवा आने दे, ताज़ी हवा आने दे, थोड़ी हवा आने दे, ताज़ी हवा आने दे, थोड़ी हवा आने दे, ताज़ी हवा आने दे।
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jigar Darun Vijayani. Today, I am a Sunday teacher. You all know me very well now. Every now and then, you use me. I shall protect you from coronavirus. Use me before and after eating. Use me coming out from outside. I kill germs. You remain healthy. Don't miss me. Don't miss me. Everyone, use me. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Sanjana Nagrani, mother of Manit Nagrani, who is studying in class nursery of Julelal Trustee School. First of all, I would like to thank all the teachers and the management who has taken this initiative to create online classes for our kids, for our pre-primary section. Thank you so much to all the teachers who putting their efforts in the online classes of our kids. Thank you so much to the Anisha teacher and the Aju teacher who is interacting with our kids so nicely, so kindly. My son is enjoying a lot. This is not for him. It is learning for me as well, as we have forgotten what we were doing when we are child. Now because of him, I know how to engage with kids and doing different activities in the online section. Thank you so much.
Everyone, my name is Princess Chadeja, Julelal Trustee School, Nursery B. Today we are going to learn our coronavirus. I am a corona. I am a corona. I am a new virus. I came from city of China. I stay from disease for one person to another. There's a 555. Do not go away. Wash your hand and make them clean. Wash the germs away and keep corona away. Wear the mask. Wear the mask when you go outside to cover the nose and mouth. There's a 555. Corona go away. Thank you. Good afternoon, teacher and all friends. My name is Nathalie Tolani from Colors Nursery Section A. My first teacher name is Rachel teacher, Jyoti teacher. My topic is traffic signal. I am traffic signal. Red, yellow, green. Red color means stop. Yellow color means wait. Green color means go. Please follow the traffic rules. Thank you.
Respected Sir, Principal Ma'am, my dear teachers, I, Latisha Watwani, mother of Daksh Watwani, studying in Nursery B in the school Julelal Trust School and Junior College. It is one of the most prestigious school in Ulhasnagar. I want that my child should grow in this school only. But due to this lockdown period and the circumstances of COVID-19, only this school is going online for pre-primary. That I am very, very happy for now. But before, I was very scared that how should my child will go through the studies. But my decision was right, and the teachers of the class, that is the Arzu ma'am and Anisha ma'am, conducting lectures were very nicely, and now I am fearless about the studies of my child. They make me very confident and comfortable, and their guidelines are very good, that I am assured now that my child go in a right way. Thanks for online classes. For this school only, our pre-primary online classes are going on. And I am very, very thankful to all the teachers, principal ma'am, and all the activities they are giving to the child, that they easily grow. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Yashpanashi. Today my topic name is Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd April. Save Earth, save life. No Earth, no bird. All Polytechnic so much. Due to coronavirus, I am saved little bit. Thank you. To all, my name is Mera Panjani. I am a doctor. I protect you from some. I protect you from coronavirus. I create the tears. You immediately thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Drishti Rajas, parent of Niyati Rajas, studying in Julelal Trust School, Nursery Division A. I want to say thank you to Julelal Trust School management team, including the principal Mary Thomas ma'am and the teachers Ritu ma'am and Jyoti ma'am, who are taking so much efforts to make kids learn online. I know they are not used to it with the online lectures, but then too they took accountability of all the things. Not only this, but they are taking care of extracurricular activities as well, including cotton sticking activity, best out of waste activity, Christmas activity, for the overall development of the child. The best thing about the school is that they haven't stopped in this pandemic. Even they grow more with the better ideas. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. Good morning, teacher. My name is Vanshika Jitendra Roshnani from Julelal Trust School. Class Nursery Division A. You know I am? Oh yes, I am a water. Say water Madhwani. So today topic is water. Who I am a Ropa's one and a very important to everyone. Without me, how can you cook? How can you drink? How can you wash? Don't waste me. Save me for the future. Thank you.
A very good morning to the respected dignitaries. This is Nisha Hemnani, mother of Preksha Hemnani from Standard Nursery Division A. This is a small thanking message to all the management members of Julelal Trust School and Junior College, our principal madam, Miss Mary Thomas ma'am, and all the class teachers, Ritu teacher and Jyoti teacher, those who are putting so much of efforts during their online studies. Online studies is not that easy, but these people are putting so much of the efforts that the children are enjoying their online lectures. They are taking different activities, they are making them learn the poems and everything with lots of efforts. I really thank you all for giving such a good response to our kids, so that they have not wasted their entire year just because of this situation going on. A very big thank you to the entire team of Julelal Trust School and Junior College. Thank you so much.
Everyone. Now it's the time to announce the winner of fancy dress competition. Myself, under my group leaders, Barkha teacher, Bhakti teacher, Karina teacher, Darshana teacher and Ritu teacher, selected the finalist. Let me announce the winner of nursery section first. The first prize goes to Nitya Rajastya, Nursery A, topic Save Earth. Second prize goes to Talreja Prince of Nursery B, topic Coronavirus. Third prize goes to Panjwani Mayank, Nursery B, topic Dettol hand wash. Congratulations to all the winners.